Do you often feel like your weekends fly by without getting much done? Weekends often seem to vanish in the blink of an eye, leaving many to wonder where all the time went without feeling truly productive or refreshed. In this video, I'll share 5 simple yet effective ways to make the most out of your weekends so you feel refreshed and accomplished by Sunday night. The first step is to plan ahead. Establishing a clear plan for the weekend on Friday night or Saturday morning can make a significant difference. It could be as simple as writing down 3 things you want to accomplish. There are various tools and apps available for effective planning, such as Google Calendar, to-do list applications, or even a straightforward notebook. The second crucial aspect is to prioritize self-care. Weekends provide an invaluable opportunity to recharge both mentally and physically. You can do some activities like reading, meditation, skincare routines, or even just a bath after applying a face or hair mask. Devoting time to these practices not only enhances personal health, but also contributes to a more balanced lifestyle. Maintaining physical activity is the third essential strategy. Even light physical movement can lead to significant benefits. Just a 30-minute walk, stretching session, or home workout can do the work and boost your mood and energy. It can be easily incorporated into any schedule since it won't take that much time. You can also do some other fun activities like dancing, biking, or doing a fitness class. The fourth strategy encourages exploring something new. Introducing novelty into your weekend can add an element of excitement and satisfaction. Why won't you try something new this weekend? This could involve visiting a new cafe or museum, or trying a new hobby, such as painting or cooking a novel recipe. Go for it. You can check Instagram pages that suggest local events and new places nearby. This will provide fresh experiences. Finally, dedicating time to loved ones is paramount. Weekends are ideal for reconnecting with family and friends. Whether through a casual family meal or a video call with a distant friend, quality time spent with loved ones fosters deeper relationships and emotional fulfillment. So, to make the most of your weekend, remember to plan ahead, prioritize self-care, stay active, try something new, and spend quality time with loved ones. Comment below how you spend your weekend and which tip you'll try. Don't forget to share the video if you found it useful.